Take a ride in the 2020 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, ABS 4-wheel, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, auto-off headlights, child safety locks, trip computer, MP3 player, passenger airbag, bucket seats, power door locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.